Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Infiniti of Nashua. Today we have the 2022 Infiniti QX80 Sensory. This one's finished in moonstone white over a wheat interior, producing a white on white combination that is absolutely gorgeous. For 2022, the QX80 got a mild refresh in the form of a new infotainment system and screen setup. Once we go into the interior, I will go into depth about the changes found in there. Of course, back seat area, you have your mats, everything like that. You can raise and lower your seat like so. I'll go take a look at the window sticker on this side. Like I said, absolutely gorgeous. Rear seat entertainment package. Third row, 3 seats back there as well, and you can fit 3 reasonably sized people back there. Total sticker price of $88,130. Very, very nice. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, please don't honk at me. All right, 5.6 liter V8, 400 horsepower, 413 pound-feet of torque. Here's your new infotainment system. You remember the QX80 had dual screens. This one is just one screen setup. Do have hard buttons for your climate controls, which is a huge plus, as you don't have to go digging through screens to find something as simple as changing the temperature. Sunroof, of course. LED lighting. Backup camera, 360 camera. Everything you would ever need. Ventilated seats, heated seats. This thing is fully loaded. Oh, I love these things. The wheel too wraps around, so even though this is a bigger steering wheel, your hands fit perfectly around it. Honestly, I love it. of torque. That's what I love about these big V8s. I mean, turbocharged motors are great, but the low down torque of a V8 can't beat it. I love this thing. They are so nice. It's just that feeling of refinement that you really can't get anywhere else. I mean, maybe Escalade, but that's big money compared to this. What a machine. So refined. Oh man, I love it. I love this SUV. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.